Austin Palhui. Hello everyone, this is me, Roberto Ignacio speaking, with my friend from Toronto, Canada, Austin Palhui. And today, we will be talking about a CATHAY Pacific Boeing 777-300ER that returned, that flew to Xiamen from Hong Kong for maintenance. This aircraft is registered as Kilo Quebec, Quebec. And then she took her flight number 63940, as you can see it here, with a great circle distance of 406 kilometers and an actual flight of 1 hour and 6 minutes at a track of 70 degrees, as you can see it here. This aircraft is special for being the first plane to get converted into a preighter before it got reverted into this passenger configuration. It got converted into a preighter because of the COVID-19 pandemic and the restrictions. But since the restrictions have been lifted in 2022, she was then reverted back to its passenger configuration. So she took her flight number 63940, as I said earlier, then 1 hour and 6 minutes of duration time, and then she took her, she departed at 5:01 a.m. local time, and then landed at 6:07 a.m. local time in Hong Kong. As you see, she took off at Hong Kong Chaplatko Airport, the southern runway, at 5:01 in the morning local time, and landed in Xiamen Gaoqi Airport runway 05 at 6:07 a.m. local time in Xiamen. So, for the details of Kilo Quebec, Quebec, kindly check the previous video about this bird. So that is a wrap for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Hope to see you guys in the next update, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below as well as the bell icon next to it. All by me, Roberto Ignacio, and my friend from Toronto, Austin Palhui. Bye guys, and see you in the next update.